Hey guys! So, hindi na ako nakapag-update after nung nung Gardens by the Bay kanina. Sobrang napagod na kasi ako sa paglalakad. So right now, it's already dinner time and I'm going out to eat dinner. I'll check it out what store or restaurant here nearby. Let's go. So, ito nga pala yung name ng hotel na pinag-isayan ko. HMLET dito sa Cantonment Road. So here how it looks like outside the hotel where I'm staying. You will see the HMLET logo and over there I'm gonna be heading towards that road. So I am now here along Tanjong Pagar and this is the restaurant that I'll be having my dinner. So I'm gonna be checking out their menu and how much the food. So let me check. So as you can see, they have like a bunch of food that you can choose from. They have a nice menu and the prices are reasonably cheap, just like in Maxwell. Hey guys, so finally I'm settled here. I'm just waiting for my order for dinner. So right now I'm currently here nearby Tanjong Pagar. So this is the restaurant I found. Okay, anyway guys, I ordered roasted duck rice, so that's for $4. And if you want to order Coke here, it's gonna be for $1.6. So it's Singaporean dollars, of course. So I'm just waiting for the other food that I ordered. It's the chicken, fried chicken with I think shrimp paste. I don't know. Not really sure, but it's a fried chicken with shrimp paste. So I ordered it last time sa Maxwell and I really like it. So I will order it again here. So I will check if that's the same recipe that they have in Maxwell. So I'm just waiting for my order to be completed. So this is the fried chicken, guys, with shrimp paste, I think. And then this is the roasted duck rice. So this is for $4. This one is for $12. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces fried chicken. So let's eat, guys. And the Coke is for $1.6. Here it is, guys. This is the fried chicken with shrimp paste. And this one is the roasted duck rice. So let's eat. I like the chicken last night, no, but it's also tasty.
That was legitness.
One eternity later.
So hi guys, ayun, kakatapos ko lang kumain. And okay naman, sobrang nabusog ako. Kasi ang dami naman yung servings.
That was legit.
And masarap siya, in fairness. First time ko makatikim ngayon ng duck. Yeah. Mas ano siya, mas medyo makunat lang siya ng konti. But hindi naman siya yung mahirap kainin. Still, tolerable naman. Pero ang sarap, promise.
That was legit.
You should try the duck, what you call that? The roasted duck rice.
That was legitness.
Ayun, sobrang busog. So, after this, just gonna walk around and we'll check other restaurants or cafe nearby. You should check this one, this restaurant. I don't know what's the name of the restaurant, but I'll figure it out later. So, yeah, it was a nice dinner.
That was legitness.
Okay guys, so dito ako nakahanap ng restaurant for my dinner. So, ito yun. So, ang mura dito guys. I don't know the name of the place, but this is along or nearby Tanjong Pagar. Yan guys. So, masarap yung food dyan and mura din dyan guys, parang sa Maxwell.
That was legitness.
So, katabi siya ng 7-Eleven. And then, dito naman guys, sa side na to, yung Best Target Trading. Diyan ako nakabili ng murang adapter para sa para dito sa Singapore kasi iba yung saksakan nila dito. So, if you are here and looking for an adapter to use to charge your mobile devices, so, dyan kayo pumunta. Mura dyan, guys.
That was legitness.
So, that's it, guys. So, while walking along Tanjong Pagar, nearby the restaurants where I had my dinner, I saw this bakery and they offer like cakes and bread, so I bought some for my breakfast tomorrow. Since I am in the mood for a drink, so I decided to just buy a couple of beers here in the convenience store along Tanjong Pagar. So actually, one of my favorite beer is the Polunar, and this is the one, guys. You should check it out and try this one. I'm sure you will enjoy it. I'm actually supposed to go to a bar that was recommended by a friend here in Singapore. However, I just realized that it's actually better to just buy drinks here in the convenience store and to just drink inside my hotel, so I can just really enjoy my time, and when I get drunk, I can just sleep, you know.
That was legitness.
Yeah. So guys, since ayoko na maglakad to go dun sa nirecommend ng friend ko na bar, so I just bought beer here sa Yigo Mart. So dun na lang ako magiinom sa hotel. So ayun guys, babalik na ako sa hotel kasi ang sakit na ng paa ko. Hey guys! So, ito nga yung adapter na binili ko dito sa Singapore. So, as you can see, ito yung i-explain ko sa inyo. Iba yung butas ng mga saksakan nila dito. So, you need to buy this one. Okay, make sure you have this adapter when you go here in Singapore. Mahirapan kayo mag-charge kapag wala kayong ganyan kasi hindi nyo talaga magagamit yung mga ganitong charger nyo unless meron kayong ganito.
That was
So, ayun nga
legitness.
guys, pinakita ko sa inyo yung store kung saan ko nabili ito. It's actually for $7 and something. So, mura na yan kasi yung nakita namin sa 7-Eleven, that's for $60. So, you can go there. Ayun lang. So, I'll show you how it works. So, there. So I'm back in my hotel and I am just looking for a spot where can I drink the beer that I bought from the convenience store, and let me show you this outdoor pantry. So let's go. Hey guys, so this area is their outdoor pantry. So in this area you can eat your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and you can also have your drinks here. But this area is only open until 11 p.m. So yeah, you can chill here. Let's go. Yeah. So this area is their indoor pantry. It's a common area where you can do your work or just chill here and have some drinks. So what's nice about this hotel is that they actually have a communal kitchen where you can cook your own food, or you can just chill here because they actually have a TV inside the communal kitchen. So there, and you can just chill here and have a drink or just do your work here. Ito yung communal kitchen dito sa HMLET Cantonment Hotel. So it's nice. You can cook your own food here, and the kitchen is complete. There's a fridge, an oven, a microwave, coffee maker, and a water dispenser, and some condiments there. So I'm drinking right now, alone. And inside the fridge, okay. So whatever you bought outside, whether it's food or groceries, you have to put your label, your room number, this is my room, and of course checkout date. So the other guests here in the hotel would not take your food and drinks. So this is mine. So I put my room number and my checkout date. That's nice. So this is also mine. Wow! Yeah. So I'm gonna continue working, guys. Peace. Let's drink. Cheers. Wow! Hi guys, so it's me again, Zam. So time check, it's already 1 a.m. and di pa ako naantok kasi I still have some work to finish, and I'm also drinking alone because earlier, last night when I had dinner, I'm planning to drink somewhere here nearby, but since, di ba, sabi ko nga, kakagaling ko lang na accident, motorcycle accident. So, my left foot, sobrang sumasakit pa siya, and parang feeling ko, hindi ko na kaya maglakad pa. So, I just bought a couple of beers, This is the Polliner. So this is one of my favorite beer. So it's nice. You should try this one. Wow! So guys, anyway, I'm gonna share you my thoughts so far with my experience here in Singapore. First off, the transportation. It's very seamless. Grabe. Alam mo yun, nakaka-amaze kasi yung buong Singapore, it's all connected. Yung subway nila nakaka-amaze kasi the transportation here is very efficient. So it's really nice. I love it. So hopefully this kind of transportation will happen soon in the Philippines. You know, shout out to our, Mr. President. Hope he can make this happen as well in the Philippines.
That was legitness.
Anyway, that's all for now. And then I'm just gonna finish my work and finish my beer. Cheers!